Do you want to make more sale and make more money? Of course you want. But how I can do all these? Introducing you Instant Search and Filters. It is made for Shopify merchants who want to increase conversion rate and boost sales. To be successful merchants, you must have this app installed on your store. Grow 70% of conversions with Instant Search and Filters by product ranking, search analytics, custom search bar and filters. Instant Search and Filters is a complete Shopify product search solution. For example, synonyms, stop words, product ranking, zero-character suggestions. This app allows you to create different product filter groups for different collections pages. Multi-select filters. Filter by options. Filter by price. Filter by color. Filter by tags. Filter by collection. Filter by vendor. Filter by type. Ajax-based add to cart option. Mobile optimization and consistent branding on all screen sizes. Merge values for better user experience. Supports up to 22 languages. It will display search results in less than a second. Get rid of slow loading products. Speed up the store and speed up the sales. Will provides 24/7 high priority support and instant answer of your queries. Don't hesitate to contact us.